Now we will see second component of start menu, that is the right pen. Okay children, this is left pen, and now we will learn regarding right pen. So this is right pen, right children, this is right pen of start menu. Now the right pen of the start menu contains links to parts of Windows that you will use frequently. Okay, like here these tools are displayed, right children? You will see here default programs, devices and printers, control panel, computer, games, music, pictures, documents, okay, help and support. So here in right pane of the start menu, it has links to parts of the windows that you will use frequently. Okay, so here these items are displayed, right children? Now this is documents. Okay, so documents opens documents folder where you can store and open text files, spreadsheets, presentations and other kinds of documents, right children? Here if you click on these documents, then it will open the documents folder. See, this is documents folder in which the different types of documents are stored, right, like files, spreadsheets, presentations and other types of documents. So this is documents, then pictures. Okay, so when you click on this item, it will open pictures folder where you can store and view the pictures and graphics files. Okay, so here you will see the pictures folders, right children? In this way you can open the pictures folder, right? Then after music, so this is the link where you can open music folder where you can store and play music and other audio files, right? Then after games, okay, this is games, opens games folder where you can access all games on your computer, right children? So all games of computer you can see here, right? Now then after computer opens a window where you can access the hardware. It means that disk drives, cameras, printers, scanners, etc. connected to your computer. When you click on computer, you will see hard drives detail. Okay, and after other hardware parts like printers, scanners. Okay, the hardware part which are connected to your computer. Okay, so this window will be opened. Now then after other is control panel. Okay children, so control panel opens control panel where you can change the appearance of your computer, like install, uninstall the programs and all appearance part of your computer, right children? If you click on control panel, see here you can adjust your computer settings, right? Here display, fonts, keyboard, mouse, date and time, all things you can change or you can set all these things from here. This is control panel, right? Then after next is devices and printers. Okay, so devices and printer opens a window where you can see information about the printer, mouse and other devices installed in your computer, right children? So these window will be opened. You can see different devices which are installed in your computer that are available here. You can view all these devices here, right? Mouse and all these things, right children? Now then after default programs, okay, so opens a window where you can choose which program you want window to use for activities such as web browsing. Okay, so default programs, these are the different programs are there. Okay, you can select any one, okay, that you want for Windows to use for activities such as web browsing, right? So you can set your default programs from here. Then after help and support, so it will open Windows help and support where you can get help for using Windows. Okay, if you want any help then you have to click here. Okay, this window will be opened. Okay, here you can search for any help that you want from Windows, right children? So here this is the right pane of the start menu. This is right pane and this is left pane, right children? Okay. Now at the bottom of the right pane, okay, you can see the shutdown button, right children? This is shutdown button. Now when you click on this shutdown, you will close Windows. Okay, it is used to turn off your computer, right children? These are the different options. Okay, switch user, log off, lock, restart. If you want to restart the computer, you have to click here, right children? So this is shutdown button, and when you click on this shutdown button, you can turn off your computer with the use of shutdown button. This is shutdown. Okay, at the bottom of the right pane. So children, this is left pane and this is right pane. These are the two components of start menu. Okay, so this is called start menu, right children? Thank you.